What if I told you this futuristic van can turn into a full mini home in under 60 seconds? No hotel bookings, no complicated campsite setup, no struggling with tent poles in the dark. Just park, press a button, and relax. This is the Hyundai Staria Lounge Camper, and it might be one of the smartest compact camper vans ever created. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that blends sci-fi design with real-world adventure practicality. Whether you're into van life, cross-country road trips, weekend camping escapes, or just love innovative vehicles, this one deserves your attention. Now first, let's talk about the design. Because this doesn't look like your typical camper van. The smooth, rounded body lines, that full-width LED light bar stretching across the front, the massive panoramic side windows. It looks modern, minimal, almost futuristic. In fact, if you saw this driving past you on the highway, you probably wouldn't even realize it's a camper. But here's where things get interesting. That clean roofline, it transforms. At the push of a button, the pop-up roof lifts smoothly upward, revealing a hidden upper sleeping space. The fabric sides expand naturally, creating extra headroom and ventilation. In less than a minute, your van turns into a two-level tiny home. And the best part? When it's closed, it drives like a normal premium van, compact, smooth, and easy to maneuver. Now step inside. This is where the smart design really shines. The seats fold down effortlessly into a comfortable lower bed. Everything feels intentional. Nothing feels wasted. Above you, that pop-up section becomes a surprisingly spacious second sleeping area, perfect for couples, small families, or even just extra storage space if you're traveling solo. Depending on the configuration, you can also get a compact kitchenette setup. We're talking about a built-in induction cooktop, a small sink, a mini refrigerator, hidden storage compartments. It's not oversized. It's not bulky. It's efficient. Everything you need, and nothing you don't. And this isn't rough camping. This is comfort on wheels. Modern digital instrument cluster, large infotainment display, advanced driver assistance features, smooth automatic transmission. Under the hood, a strong diesel engine delivers solid highway performance while keeping the ride comfortable and controlled. So whether you're cruising through mountain roads or driving hundreds of miles across open highways, it feels stable and refined. Now imagine this in the United States. Picture it driving along the Pacific Coast Highway with the ocean on one side and cliffs on the other. Or parked just outside Zion National Park at sunrise. Or tailgating before a big football game. In America, road trips aren't just vacations. They're part of the culture. And that's where this compact camper makes so much sense. It's easier to drive than a full-size RV. It's more comfortable than sleeping in a tent. And it's more versatile than a traditional SUV. You don't need a massive 30-foot vehicle. You don't need complex hookups. You don't need campground stress. You just need the road. Picture this. It's Friday evening. You finish work. Instead of heading home, you head out. By sunset, you're parked lakeside. You pop the roof. You cook dinner. You sit back and watch the sky change colors. The next morning, you wake up to nature. No checkout time. No hotel noise. No strict schedule. Just freedom. That's what vehicles like this represent. Freedom simplified. So here's the big question. If this camper were officially available in the US tomorrow, would you choose it over a traditional RV? Do you think compact camper vans like this are the future of road travel? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love innovative camper vans, smart vehicle designs, and adventure-ready builds, make sure to like and subscribe. Because this is just the beginning. See you in the next on.